Well, I never. It seems they're even doing the Indian rope trick by automation these days. Although if you can't swallow that, we'll give you a clue and admit that this trick is Italian and not Indian. Got it? For the benefit of those people who still believe that spaghetti grows on trees, we visit a factory at St. Albans, Hertfordshire, where they actually make 32 types of macaroni product. Here, the long spaghetti is prepared for the last stage, drying. The same principle is used for the most part in the manufacture of shortcut macaroni, the shapeless dough mixture being forced through a metal die, one of a different construction, though, to that used for spaghetti. And this, by the way, is the process that puts the hole in the macaroni, or wraps the macaroni around the hole, whichever you prefer. To cut the macaroni, as it's squeezed through to the required lengths, a knife is placed at the face of the die. The macaroni is then blown away from the face of the die into an enormous drying cabinet, where, during its progress along a series of moving trays and drums, it is dried by means of a hot air current. Just as fascinating is the manufacture of vermicelli, and literally only a length of spaghetti away is another factory where this traditional process is being carried out today to meet the increasing public demand for this type of food. Incidentally, few people realize that all macaroni products are made from yet another cereal, semolina, which in turn, something also that few of us know, is the highly nutritious wheat germ. This is mixed with water to form a loose dough which is kneaded into a thick sheet. This machine, known as a dough break, acts like some giant rolling pin, producing a sheet of dough measuring about 2 feet wide by between 60 to 80 feet in length. Anything more awkward to handle we couldn't imagine. But the men here deal with it easily enough, winding it round a spool. And if you think that's neat, you haven't seen anything yet. In a matter of seconds from now, this massive Swiss roll affair will have been transformed into daintily folded strands of vermicelli. First, the sheet of dough passes through a series of rollers which reduce it from 3/8 of an inch to 1 millimeter in thickness. Then it is shredded into strands 10 inches long and 1 millimeter square, which are passed onto specially designed flaps that fold them. An ingenious piece of machinery, in fact the only one of its kind in the country. Who knows? At this rate, we'll soon be exporting the stuff to Italy.